That's not a problem. Once he transfers the money, I'll send the document. Simple. Yeah, it's in my mail. I'll just send the document once he transfers the money. Alright. Alright, thank you. Yeah.
Honey.
Yeah.
I want to talk to you about something.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
I need a domestic staff. Someone to help me with, house chores and all of that.
Oh, that's not a problem. My mother is coming to pay us a visit next week, so you have nothing to worry about.
Mama?
Yes, Mama.
Honey, I'm talking about an assistant. Like a maid. Someone I can send on errands. Go do this and that for me. Mama. No.
Mama is a very nice person. She's going to do all of that for you. Trust me. You like her. Huh?
Sure.
Yes. Okay. Can I get some smoothie?
Smoothie?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Fruit juice, smoothie, anyone.
Okay.
I'll be there.
Okay. Alright. Smoothie, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Pineapple juice.
Okay.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.